Still exercise point
3.
3.
Question 15.
Question number 15. Now 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All are the word problem. All are the
Word problem.
means by reading the question you can't able to know this is of the means in the question it will not be written it is AP or not. In the question it will not be written that it is AP, correct? So you should understand like if it's given equal interval or giving regular year this thing increasing, right? So it by reading this, seeing this term, you can say this is question of AP, correct? Now see question number 15. A contractor on the construction job specify a beyond a certain rate follows 200 rupees for first day, 250 for the second day, 300 for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day is 50 rupees more for the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as a penalty for 30 days? Acha, see. So question is saying first day is 250 rupees, 200 rupees. First day is
200 rupees.
200 rupees. Second day is 250 rupees. Third day is 300 rupees. Correct?
Yes.
Means they are paying, if it is become late, they are paying fine every day 50 rupees extra. 50 rupees extra. Means every place is 50. 50 means your D is 50.
Sir.
D is 50. Acha. Next asking how much he should pay in the 30 day. How much he should pay in the 30 day? Means N is given how much?
30 days.
30. N is given 30. Getting or not?
Yes, sir.
So we should find the SN. Means asking how much it will be for the 30 day. So sum of all the number you should find, right? So N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So here 200, sorry, N is equal to 50. N is equal to 30, right?
Yes, sir. 30.
30 by 2. 2 into A. A is how much?
200.
Plus N
30. Minus 1.
into
50.
50. Right?
Yes, sir.
So 15, 400. And this is 29 into 5. 29 into not 5, 50. Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
So 15, 400. So how much you come total?
1450.
1850. Right.
Yes, sir.
So 0, 15 5 ja 12. So total money will be this much rupees.
Yes. In 30 days.
Correct. In 30 days he should pay penalty how much? 27,750 rupees. Done.
No, sir.
Question number 16. Question number
16.
16. It's saying sum of rupees 700 is to be used to be given 7 cash prize. 7.
Cash
See,
price.
total money is how much?
700.
Means total money means SN is 700. Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
Cash price is 7. Cash price is
7.
7. 7 cash prize to the student of the school for the overall academic performance if each prize is 20 less than the preceding prize. But saying if each prize is 20 less than the
Less price.
preceding means next one.
Yes, sir.
Means if first one get 100 rupees, next one will get
200.
80.
80.
Next one 60.
60.
Next one
40.
correct. Getting na? Means 20 rupees less than the preceding price. Correct na? So assume first one is X. First one is
X.
X. If first one is X, second will be X minus 20. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Third one will be X minus 40. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Fourth one will be X minus 60.
60.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Till where? How many prizes to distribute?
7.
7. So 1, 2, 3, 4. X minus
80.
80. X minus
100.
x minus
120.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7. अच्छा, instead of putting comma put plus, and total is given 700 rupees because they have to give in the 700 rupees only. Yes or no? They have to give in the
700.
700 rupees only. So now what becomes this? 7x. Yes or no?
Sir.
7x plus or minus add this one, how much you get? This is 100. Yes or no? This is
100.
100, 200,
Yes, sir.
300, 400, 420,
420.
700, right? So
Yes, sir.
7x is equal to 700 plus 420. Yes or no? So 7x is equal to
9.
0 2
9.
7 plus 4 man 11.
11.
So 7x is equal to by 7.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So how does it become? 7 1 is 7,
Yes, sir.
4 2, 7 6 is 42, 0. So x is equal to
160.
160.
60.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Means if first term is 160, see here, if first term is
Our 60.
160,
160.
second term will be 120, 140 minus 20,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
then 120,
120.
then 100, then
180.
80 only, 60,
60.
then
40.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Getting like this prices will be there. See, so I have done this question, but not at all AP used in this. Where is the AP used in this, right?
Yes, sir.
But you should do this question by AP.
AP.
We should do this question by
AP.
AP. So see, we'll do now question by
AP.
AP. Is visible? Check.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So SN given how much? 700. Every preceding is 20 less.
Yes, sir.
Every preceding is 20
Yes.
less. So D is equal to minus 20.
Yes, sir.
D is equal to
Minus 20.
number of term is how much? 7. So N is equal to
7.
N is equal to
7.
7. Acha. First term we don't know. First term we
Don't know.
don't know. So A is equal to what?
What?
This one you should find actually, right? Now find Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 7 by 2. Here 700. 2a plus 7 minus 1 into minus
Minus 20.
20. Done?
Yes, sir.
7 by 2. 7 by, can you write here?
Yes, sir.
700 into 2 by 7.
Yes, sir.
Bring this on this side. Yes or no? Acha. So 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6.
6.
6 into 2, 12.
Yes, sir.
6 into 2,
12.
minus 120.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? This is 100. So 200 plus 120 is equal to 2a is equal to
2A.
2a. This become how much? 320
3 2. Yes, sir.
by 2 is equal to a. 260. So 160 is equal to a. First term how much you get?
160.
160.
Yes, sir.
First term we get
160.
160. If first term is 160, so next term will be 160 minus 20
20.
is equal to 140.
40.
Next minus 20. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 120. Next minus 20. 100 minus 20
80.
minus 20
40.
60
60, sir.
minus 20
40.
40. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
same question you can do by the without AP also and with AP also. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So AP is just the arrangement.
Yes, sir.
Arrangement in that plus is there, right? I told in the first class only. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
So question number 17, right?
Yes, sir.
See, in a school, a student thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce the air pollution. It was decided to a number of trees is section or same as the class. Same as the class. example, section 1 will plant 1, section 2 will plant 2, section 3 will plant 3, section 10 will plant section 10.
10.
This much English understood anything? No, I am explaining now. What is saying? In a school is there.
Yes, sir.
In a school they are saying to
Plant the
plant the trees.
trees.
Plant the trees for the removing the air pollution.
Yes, sir.
Now saying class 1 will plant one tree.
One tree.
Class 1 will plant
one tree.
question number 617, right?
17.
Class 1 1, class 2 2, class 3,
Three.
class 4
Four.
4. Same like that, class 10 will plant
10.
10 trees. Class 10 will plant 10 trees. There are 3 sections in every class. There are 3 sections in every class. Means class 1 is having 3 sections.
Section.
Means every section will plant 1 tree.
Yes, sir.
Means the total number of tree plant is
3.
so 3 here 6
6.
6.
here into
3.
9
9.
into 3 is equal to
16. 12.
12.
12.
Yes or no?
3 sections.
Acha. Into 3 is 30. Yes or no? Now question asking, how many tree will be planted by the students? How many tree will be planted by the students? Correct na?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, saying till class 8 only. Till class 12 is there, man. Till class
12.
12. I have written till 10 only.
11.
So 11 into 3, 12, 12 into 3 is equal to 36 is equal to 33.
3.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this the data is given. This is the data given and asking how many trees possible. How many trees they will plant. Correct. So either you can find all and add. Find all and add. Second thing, A1 is given 3.
Yes, sir.
D is given 3.
3.
AN is given 36. Last term is given 36.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Acha. This many things is given and number of term is given 12
Yes, sir.
because 12 classes there. Number of term is given
12.
12. Acha. Can you find this now?
Yes, sir.
Everything is given only, right? Find it. Just apply formula. I will not do.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. Excuse me.
You are copying only.
Sir.
Then I will find. See. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Are yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 12 by 2, 2 into 3 plus, or why to use this formula? A plus L also you can do, right?
Yes, sir.
Because you know the both term. A plus
L.
L. So A is 3 plus 36. So 6 into, how much becomes this one? 39.
Nine.
6 into 39.
9.
How much will get? How much will get?
13.
अरे मल्टीप्लाई का था 18 18 plus 2 23, right?
Yes, sir. 234.
So total number of tree will be how much?
234.
234.
Yes, what more?
Question number 18.
Yes, sir.
Question number
18.
18. It's saying a spiral is made of successive semicircle. Successive semicircle. What is that? A spiral bending you do in the books, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct na? Like it will be something, sorry, not something. Like this. It is like this, okay? It is like this.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Some semicircle are there. Right? Some semicircles are there. With center alternately A, B. Straight with the center A of radius 0.5 centimeter. A of radius 0.5 means if this point is A, here radius is 0.5 centimeter. Correct. Next one is 1 centimeter. Means if you're taking this one as B, this one as a B. So first one is 0.5, second one is 1,
1.
third one is 1.5.
5.
Third one is 1.5. It means if this is C, so from here to here radius is 1.5.
Yes, sir.
Getting? If this is D, so from here to here radius is 2.0.
0.
Getting?
Yes, sir.
So it's given regular increasing. Regular increasing means this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4.
Yes, sir.
Means D is equal to 1.0 minus 0.5 is equal to 0.5.
Yes, sir.
This is your D. Till now, after reading question, you understood this only, right? Acha, next is saying, as shown in the figure, what is the total length of such a spiral made with 13 successive 13 consecutive semicircles? Correct.
Yes, sir.
So n is given how much? 13. N is given 13. Asking like how much length will be there? How much length? Acha. So for finding the length of circle, which formula use? We should find the perimeter of circle. No idea, right? See, one circle is there, right?
Yes, sir.
So I'm saying find the length of this, like this much big thread is there. I fold into the form of circle.
Circle.
Yes or no? I fold in the form of a circle. Now asking what is the length of this? What is the length? Like see, I'm so by the wire. I don't know if it's visible or not. So this much long wire is there, right? This much long
Where?
wire is there. I fold it in the form of circle. Form of a circle. Now I'm asking to say that what is the length of this wire? What is the length of this wire? Is in the form of circle, right? So length of wire or length of this circle is called if it is a square, if it is square, rectangle or something, in this situation is called perimeter.
Yes, sir.
For finding the all length, name is the perimeter. Name is the perimeter. What is the name here?
Radius.
Circumference.
Circumference. Yes, sir. Circumference.
Here name is circumference. Name is different. Here name is circumference. Here name is perimeter. But meaning is you should find the length. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here circumference of the circle is 2 pi r.
Yes, sir.
What is formula?
2 pi r.
2 pi
R.
r. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. But here saying semicircle.
Semicircle.
Semicircle means half.
Yes, sir.
Half of the circle means 1 by 2 into pi r.
Yes, sir. 2 pi r.
So 2 get cancelled, just pi r.
Yes, sir.
Just
Pi r.
pi r. Getting na? Acha. Now come here. So first semicircle length will be how much? Pi r.
Yes, sir. Pi r.
Pi
R.
r means pi r. R is how much? 0.5.
Yes, sir.
0.5. This is the first one I'm talking. A1. Correct na?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Means 22 by 7 into 0.5. 22 by 7 into 0.5.
5.
Correct na? Second variant how much?
A2 pi r into
Second one, think.
A2 into pi.
Here also formula is the pi r only.
Yes, sir.
But it will be 22 by 7 into 1.
1.
Into
1.
1. Acha, third one will be how much?
A3 into pi r into 22 by 7 into
1.5.
5.
1.5. Getting or not?
Yes, sir. Getting.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Now we are getting A1, A2, A3. So whatever answer we get, that will the total length.
Yes, sir.
That will the
Total length.
And according to that we will find the sum.
Yes, sir.
True? So like that it will be till 13 term. Correct na? Acha. If we add in everything, we have the 22 by 7 is the common.
Yes, sir.
22 by 7 in the common. So instead of writing 22 by 7, let it be pi only. Let it be pi. So I can say just pi 0.5, pi
1.
no need to write, pi into 1.5. Correct na?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now actually common difference will be this only, but in this situation now we are getting different length, different length. So don't use this common different. We will find the common difference again. So first term is 0.5 pi and second term is pi. Yes or no? Second term minus first term. So pi out, 1 minus 0.5 is equal to 0.5 pi. This is your common difference, right? N is equal to given 13 string.
Yes, sir.
13 string. And A1 how much you get? 0.5 pi. 0.5 pi. You get each and everything.
Yes, sir.
So apply the formula Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into
D.
d. So n is how much? 13
13.
by 2. 2a, 2 into 0.5 pi. It's looking odd, decimal, so I'll put like this.
Yes, sir.
Now correct?
Yes, sir.
Not pi man, not a.
5.
Pi,
Yes.
right? Acha. N minus 1, 13 minus 1.
1.
D is how much? 0.5 pi. True?
Yes, sir.
Acha. So 13 by 2, this has become 1 pi.
Yes, sir.
0.5 into 2, 1 pi. Acha. Here plus, this is 12.
Yes, sir.
This is
12.
12 5 is 60.
Yes, sir.
12 5 is
60.
60. But decimal is there. So 6 pi
5.
means 13 by 2 into 7 pi.
Yes, sir.
7
Pi.
pi. And pi value how much I told?
22 by 7.
22 by
7.
7. Actually pi exactly value is not at all 22 by 7. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Means okay. 22 by 7 we can take. Sometime we should take 3.14. But if in the question not written anything, just we are taking pi, and in the question not written anything, in that situation take 22 by 7. What is to take? 22 by 7. But if in the question written pi is equal to 3.14, pi is equal to
3.14.
pi is equal to 3.14. In this situation, don't take 22 by 7. Again, I'm saying, if in the question pi is given 3.14, take 3.14 only.
Yes, sir.
Correct. But if not given this value, then take 22 by 7.
7.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Is equal to 13 by 2 into 7. Right?
Yes, sir.
This to this get cancelled. 11. So 11 3 is 33. 11 1 is 11 plus 3. 11 plus 3. 14.
43.
So the total length will be how much?
143.
140.
It's centimeter, meter, I don't know.
Meters. Centimeters. Meters.
Yeah.
Centimeters.
Wait, I see the question again. Centimeter.
Correct again.
Centimeter. Done?
Yes, sir.
Question number 19. Question number 19. See here.
Yes, sir.
200 logs stack in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom, 19 in the next row, 18 in the next row. Means saying total number of log. Total number of log is given 200.
200.
Means this is given Sn.
Yes, sir.
Sum. First row is given 20. Second row is given 19. Third row is given 18. Means it is kept it in this manner. 1 2 3 4 5 6, something like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then here.
Yes, sir.
Then here.
Grapes.
We made anda, right?
Yes, sir. Anda.
It's looking like log also, right?
Yes,
Wow.
sir.
Chalo, acha hai. So first row 20, second row 19, third row 18. Means in this row, this is the first row. A1, A2, A3. Correct? It is like this. Means in every next row, one is less.
Yes, sir.
1 is less.
Yes.
Means D is equal to 1.
1. Yes, sir.
1 or minus 1?
-1, sir.
D is equal to
-1.
minus 1. Getting now?
Yes, sir.
All get or not?
It is, sir.
Chalo. So, an question is asking, read the question first. In how many rows 20 logs placed? 200 log placed. In how many rows 200 log placed? In how many rows? Means they are asking n.
Yes, sir.
They are asking n. Acha, next question is there. How many log are present in the top row? Means
Top row one.
this will be the top.
Yes, sir.
This though I have drawn, na man. We don't know how much. So like how much ever come n? How much ever come
N.
n? In that nth row, how many logs will be there?
Yes, sir.
This we should find. Correct na? So first try to find n. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into
D.
d. Right? So n we don't know.
Yes, sir. SN we know, sir. 200.
Sn we know. N we don't know. Here 2a. So 2 into 20.
D.
N we don't know. Minus 1
Yes, sir.
means this is 400.
Yes, sir.
N into 40, right?
Yes, sir. 40.
minus n plus 1
Yes, sir.
means minus n plus 1
Yes, sir.
means 40n minus n square plus n.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Means actually minus n square plus 39n
Yes, sir.
minus n square plus
39n.
39n.
N.
39 is pakka or not?
Yes, sir. Minus n, sir.
Wait. Minus into minus plus. So 40 plus 1, 41, right?
Yes, sir.
41n. 41n.
N.
And here 400 is there.
Yes, sir.
Bring all the term this side. It become n a square minus 41n plus 400
400.
is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to
0.
0. Now how will break this 41 to 400? So we should do the prime factorization.
Yes, sir.
2, 200, 2, 100, 2, 50, 2, 25, 2, sorry, 5, 5.
5.
Yes, na? 5 and 5. So,
25.
25 and 16, see?
Yes, sir.
25 plus 16, right?
41.
So, n square minus, take here 16 first. 16n minus 25n plus 400 is equal to 0. n out, n minus 16 minus 25 out, n minus 16 is equal to
0.
0. So n minus 16, n minus 25 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 16, n is equal to 25.
25.
Correct. We get the two thing. We get the two thing. Now asking n is equal to two thing we get. Now asking how many logs will be there in the nth row.
N through.
Correct na?
Yes, sir.
So first find a16. a16. So a plus 15d. a16 is equal to a plus 15d.
Yes, sir.
So a is how much? 20.
20.
15 into minus 1.
1.
Right. So how much become? 20 minus 15 is equal to 5.
5.
Acha. A 25 only you get, right?
Yes, sir.
A plus 24d.
D.
Why I have written up, man? Written means written. A 25, right?
Yes, sir.
Visible na?
Yes, sir.
So A 25 is equal to 20 minus 24 is equal to minus 4.
4.
Minus
Four.
4. Now how I can keep the minus 4 log, right?
Yes, sir.
Not possible only. So
Fine, sir.
this answer is not possible. This is correct.
Correct.
Means n is equal to,
16.
and in the top row 5 log will be there.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Log.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Meaning of log is one more. Log means luckily, right?
Yes, sir.
And log 11th standard one full chapter is there, logarithm.
Sir.
Correct. In the calculator we will sing log, scientific calculator, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Like it will be if log 2 base 2, answer is 1. Correct. Chalo see question number 20. Question number
20.
come in 11th standard, I will teach you log. In a potato race. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at a straight point which is 5 meter from the first potato. 5 meter from the,
First potato.
and the other potatoes are placed 3 meter apart in the straight line. 3 meter apart in the straight line. There are 10 potato in the line. 10 potato in the
Line.
What is this question, man? Figure is also given, wow. Figure is also given. Means a row is there. In that, on every 3 meter potato is kept. Every 3 meter potato is
Yeah.
kept. And from the potato, last potato, here distance is 5 meter. Here one bucket is kept. Here one bucket is
Kept.
kept. One person should Prajwal, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
With dancing or running.
I'm running up.
This is running, right?
Yes, sir.
With running, he will collect the potato and he will put into the bucket.
Okay, yes, sir.
He will put into the.
Okay.
So this is running Prajwal, right?
Yes, sir.
Prajwal run like this. Wow.
You
correct?
Yes, sir.
So a competitor start from the bucket, picks the nearest potato, run the back with it, drop the bucket again, run back again, run. Acha, it's saying they take the potato, put into this, again go back.
Yes, sir. Putting this back. Putting back. Putting back.
It is situation like this.
Yes, sir.
Getting, then asking what is the total distance competitor has to run.
Wow.
Total distance competitor has to run. Understood the question?
Yes, sir.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಐತಿ ಸರ್ ಸರ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀರೋ
See.
ರ್ಯಾಂಕು
So think about this question. If person taken one potato, one potato means they will come here, think the person is here,
Yeah.
here. So he will come here, take the potato, again go.
Yes, sir.
So means first time distance cover will be 5 into 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? True?
Yes, sir.
True or not?
Yes.
Acha. Second time they will come from here,
Yes, sir.
they will come from
Yeah.
here. So 3 meter distance will increase,
Yes.
because every potato is kept the between 3 meter,
Yes, sir.
between 3
Meter.
meter. So 5 plus 3, 5 plus
3.
into 2.
2.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if first distance is 10, second distance will be 16,
Yes, sir.
because first is to add, then is to multiply. Correct na? Acha. Not like that, first is to add them, because question is saying according to the board mass first multiplication, but to first treble the distance and same distance one more time. So into 2. Acha, if you think third time, so 5 plus 3 plus 3, 5 plus 3 plus 3 into 2. And this much coming, this much going. So this will be how much? 5 plus 3, 8.
Yes, sir.
8 plus 3, 11. 11 into 2, 22. It will happen in the all potatoes.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Number of potato doesn't matter. Here asking how much distance they will cover.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Acha. So this is your first term. This is your second term. This is your third term. Yes or no? Or yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if you find the common difference, a2 minus a1 is equal to 16 minus 10 is equal to 6. 16 minus 10 is 6.
6.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Potato. So D is equal to 6.
6.
N is equal to 10, because in the question given number of potato is
10.
10. We have the A also, we have the D also, we have the N also. So Sn we can find, right?
Yes, sir.
Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 10 by 2 into 2 into a is how much? A is how much? 10
Yes, sir.
plus 10 minus 1. D is how much? 6.
6.
So 5, 20, 9, 9 6 ja 54, right?
4.
So this becomes 74.
Yes, sir.
74. Right? So 5 4 ja 20,
20.
35, 36, 37. So this much meter they should run. Done?